Alright, so we ran into a little incident with the cops. But luckily she was a really nice, beautiful young chick.
Handsome, actually. She was handsome too.
She was handsome too.
Yeah.
Must be very masculine.
Yes.
I see.
She had a nice smile.
Nice.
However, she let us go. Apparently my nephew tried to put some European Macedonian style of riding on a bike without a helmet. And plus on top of everything, he said, no, I had it, look, it's trapped. That's what he said.
I put my camera away as soon as I passed you guys. I'm like, okay, that camera does not exist. Because I have the footage.
I start begging, crying, whatever, everything. At the end, she didn't give me a ticket.
Wow.
But I should ask for her phone number and email.
And you forgot because she's handsome.
You're lucky boy.
I was all confused.
And what were you doing when the cop was behind you? You were willing a little bit.
Yes.
A little bit scared.
Were you wet? You wet?
Oh god, look at the fountain. Look at wow, what is outside there? Is that like an island?
In memory, yeah.
Holy shit, that's beautiful. Wow.
Yeah. It's okay. We need a little break. Yeah.
Really nice.
Don't say that. Throw the money here, you can come back.
These guys don't feel like walking. I would not forgive myself if I wouldn't go to the actual water. Oh, just look at that. There are actually people here. It's not abandoned, which is a good thing, but very few people at that, so pretty much an empty beach. Oh. Water's really warm. Look at that island, oh my god, I mean, I wonder how long would it take to swim there, probably half a day. There's a lighthouse. I'm not sure if you can see that lighthouse right there. Here's some of the amazing scenery for you. Canada, motherfucker. Canada.
Ooh.